You are welcome back to my channel. This is Inwa042. It's like it has been long I made video, but this one I'm about to show you today is the latest about Mbaka, what he said. But you people will remember that governor of Boy State went to adoration, okay? And it's a clear evidence of what this video is going to show you, because giving money to adoration ground is not all about what Mbaka need. But I would not like to say much. If today is the first time you are watching me, please kindly subscribe and put on notification so that anytime I post video, you will be the first person to see that. And don't forget, after we watch this video, we go to comment section. Then we will still talk about how you understand it. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been holding captive, and me and you is not happy about that. So let's go to the video. If you watch this video finish, then we'll come on comment section, okay? I love you guys.
I don't know why our leaders who should be talking about their son are shying away from that. Tell her, from the Igbo to everybody in the ranks of leadership, to the people who call themselves senators, who are busy messing up the country in the name of lawmakers, and those who are hovering in the House of Representatives, who are they representing actually? Their stomachs. They are representing the disaster that is coming. All of them should go to the bishops of this country and kneel down and lie down. President Buhari, if you don't do this, you will know that a man of God has spoken. And apologize to the mother church. Take them to the Annunciator. The Pope's representative is there. If you cannot take them to Rome, and apologize for the blood of the holy men and women who were shed under your government. What crime did he commit that nobody has ever not committed? So Igbo leaders should rise up. Come together and go for your brother. Go for our brother. Go for our son. Look for where he is. Nnamdi is just a spokesperson. He has never touched an ant. So what is he doing there? You think he have arrested who? Even when he has announced the sit at home should stop, people should begin to go for businesses on Monday. But now go out. He is the voice that will open, the mouth that will open, and say something. The entire Igbo youths will say amen to it. So, we shan't be busy talking about stop sit at home. No matter how painful it is, we should be busy talking about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. His release will stop automatically sit at home.
My brothers, you have watched that video. You see, whenever we are talking about bad governments, it's not only in Nigeria. You know, all African countries, they have all bad governments. But I think what is happening in our own, you know, holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all that. I know, you see, when he was telling them, go and speak for your brother. It is their right, because when we talk about the prince, you know, the prince of the kingdom, you know, who is other if number? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prince, and it is their right for them to fight for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be free. You know, all these things get to remind me of one man that went to court last time, and we congratulate him. He's an elderly man. That one is, they're supposed to give him the chairman of Ohaneze Igbo, not the one that we are seeing now. So he's saying the right thing, and he's giving them he's hitting them on the nails. And if you have somebody like him 2 times, three or four. I think we are moving. And thank you so much for watching this video today. As I said, we need to come on comment section and say something. Anything you need to say, put it on comment section. Let's think and talk about it. I love you.